how to fix the camera not focusing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, force stop. Now open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera. Now here you will see force stop option. And if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. Now click on OK. After click on OK, fix the camera not focusing force stop from your phone. Now after that, open camera, click on four dots more option, click on settings, scroll down. Here you will see tracking auto focus. And if you want to enable auto tracking focus, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, tracking autofocus will be enabled from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset camera setting. Again open camera, click on four dots more option, click on settings, scroll down. Here you will see reset settings. Now click on reset setting, click on reset. After click on reset, camera setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix the camera not focusing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.